Welcome to class today. In this lesson 7, we're going to talk about HTML features. Although we've used some of those features, we'll also look at some that we've not used, and we'll use one that will not be mentioned here. The reason why we are taking this as a subject is because it's part of the structure that I've prepared for this course. So some of these features that we were talking about that we've used before are section. I talked about section, and it represents chapters or section of content, articles, self-contained content that can be distributed independently. Aside, we've not used aside. They present content related to content around it. Nav defines the navigation link, the header and the footer. It defines the introductory and the closing content respectively. Some form enhancements like the input type, the type for date, the type for email, the type for range, the type for telephone number. You know, when I gave a form assignment in the last lesson 6, and I asked you to make research and find out what type do you need for email. So this is the type you need for email. Then we also did the video and the audio. So we used the video and the audio tag, and so this video and audio tab makes it easy to embed media, multimedia without any third-party plugin. You don't have to install another plugin for video to work. Once you use the tag, as we practiced in lesson 6, the video will play or the audio will play. So this will be the conclusion of our HTML, and we are progressing to CSS. So we want to start combining our CSS with HTML to make the work beautiful. You know, remember we said HTML was the skeletal part of the programming, the structure. The CSS is the body. You're trying to add the body, you're trying to paint, you're trying to cement the walls, you're trying to paint, fix the windows, fix the fan. They're not working yet, but we just want to fix doors, windows, protectors, and everything we need. When we make them work is when we use JavaScript. Okay, there's no assignment for this class. Thank you very much for the journey from introductory of HTML up till now. If you've gotten to this point, you're doing very well. Just progress. It's one day at a time. It's 1 second at a time. It's 1 minute at a time. Gradually, you will progress to mastering programming language with me. So, bye for now. See you in CSS class. Like, share, comment, and follow. Thank you.